Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to unbox and show you the Steelmate T5 air compressor. So basically this is an air compressor pump for your car which you may need in some emergency situation. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the parcel and let's just open it. Here you can see the box of the Steelmate T5 air compressor for your car. You can see the box is quite small, which is good as it is easily carryable with your car. Tire inflator, it has an LED display. It can auto charge and stop. So when you set a certain PSI, when it is reached, it will automatically stop itself. You have preset pressure and you have a compact and portable design, as you can see right here. And what is the best tire pressure, basically you can see at your car's door, mainly in the front door. And here we have the visual display. Here you have an LED light, so if you're in the dark, like in the night, you can use the LED light to plug it in with the tire. Here you have your pressure unit, most probably it will be in pascals. Here you have the increase or decrease button for your PSI. You have the lightning switch, start stop button, and here you have the pressure data, like how much PSI it has. And if you want to know the technical specs, they are as follows. So according to the supplier, this pump can charge a 185/60 R15 tire in 4 minutes. Anyways, let's open it. So first of all, we're going to have two things. Here we have the user manual, which you can read it. It's quite small, so you can read it. And here we have the actual Steelmate T5 air compressor. It has some weight to it. It is made up of plastic. On the front you have the LED display with the buttons like to decrease the PSI, increase the PSI, the power on off button, and the I think so the set button for the PSI. Fully plastic. Here you have vents, because when it is powering or basically pumping air, it can get hot. On the back we have these rubber feet, and here we have some extra nozzles for different types of tires or maybe other equipment. And here we have the actual thing right here. So this is the total length. You will place it, and this end will be connected to your tire. So by the different nozzles, you can see they are providing it. If I just go and open it, here you have these two type of nozzles that you can connect with it right here, as you can see. So yeah, and on the other end, here you have your plug. Basically it's going to have a good length of a cable, because this end will be connected to the cigarette port or the cigarette lighter port of your car, and this operates at 12 volt, because your car provides 12 volts via the cigarette lighter port. So yeah, this is basically a quick unboxing. I cannot power it on right now because I'm in the studio and I do not have a car plug right now. I will show you how it works when I'm going to plug it in my car. First of all, make sure that your car is turned on. Now normally you have the cigarette lighter port on the front or on the back of the car, depending on your car variants. So here I have my T5 air compressor, and on the back I have this cigarette lighter port on which I am going to connect. Once it is securely connected, I'm going to go back, and here on the air compressor you can see the display has turned on, and here you have the actual light if you're working on the night as well. Now in order to connect it, just simply loosen the cap of your tire. Here we have the standard, just connect it. Once it is tight, you're going to set how much pressure you want. In my case, I'm going to set it to 2.6 bar. So basically you have this bar, you have this kPa, so you can actually tell that which unit you want to use. In my case, I'm going to use PSI. So this is a thing that I didn't know, that you can actually change the measurement unit. That's cool. I'm going to set it to 30 psi and then I'm going to click on the start. So you can see once 30 psi has reached, it has automatically stopped and its power is quite good. So now you can just simply unplug it from here, and yeah, that's it. Now you can just simply plug it again. Now for the light, I don't know how you can enable it. I think so you have to long press any button, which I am not sure of. So let's just try out. Okay, so with the same button from which you change the mode, you're going to long press on it to enable the light. So yeah, this is the actual working of this Steelmate T5 air compressor. So if you like this quick unboxing video of the Steelmate T5 air compressor, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.